This is the performance summary for the weekly reversion strategy for week ending October 24th. Let's begin by inputting the current balance. So this week was a pretty good week. I made $1,251, which is a percentage gain of 4.02%. And these were the 5 positions that were held. First one is Boeing. And this is how that trade looked. So weekly reversion buys dips. So based on this dip here, we got in here on Monday morning and sold here at the close of Friday. And that was for a percentage gain of 2.9%. Next trade was Goldman Sachs. That one we made, it was up 3.55%. And Goldman Sachs looked like this. It had a dip the prior week after earnings, and so we bought here and sold here. Third trade was JP Morgan, up 0.65%. And somewhat of a similar looking pattern to Goldman Sachs, but not as pronounced. Next one is Rtx. Raytheon, that was the biggest trade of the week. It was a really good trade, made close to 12% on that one. So we entered here Monday based on the dip in the recent past, and on the 21st there was an earnings before the market, so it gapped to the upside very nicely and continued for the rest of the week, where we made almost 12%. And the last trade was Uber. That one was up 1.15%, and this is what it looked like. And now let's input the current balance into the cumulative tab here. And so after the nice gain of 4% this week, this is how the cumulative equity curve is looking so far since going live with the strategy in June of last year, June 2024. This is how it looks. And we'll also look at the performance of weekly reversion long term. Here's the back test for the strategy going from 1994 to present day. And over that time frame, the strategy's annualized return is 19.9%, and that's compared to the S&P 500, which is annualizing at 8.8% over the same time frame. And month to date, the strategy is up 3.8%, which puts it at positive 23.7% year to date. And this is the equity curve back tested to 1994. So that's the performance summary for the week ending October 24th. If you'd like to learn some more about how the strategy works, or you'd like to sign up for my Signal service, please visit my website at returnstream.com. Link is below. Thank you.